Lions in Africa, known scientifically as Panthera leo, are majestic animals that have fascinated humankind for centuries. With a life expectancy of up to 16 years for females and slightly less for males, these magnificent creatures stand 3.5 to 4 feet at the shoulder and vary in length, with males reaching up to 10 feet, including their tails, and females slightly shorter at 9 feet. Their habitats are as diverse as their diet, ranging from the open plains to thick brush and dry thorn forests across the African continent, and a small population residing in the Gir forest of northwest India. These apex predators primarily feed on large animals, showcasing their vital role in the ecosystem. Understanding the status and role of lions, as well as the challenges they face, is crucial for their conservation. But this video will delve into the social structure that defines the Pride of Africa, explore the conservation status, highlighting the threats lions are encountering today, and examine their significance within African tradition and their iconic status worldwide. It will also cover the human-wildlife conflicts that arise as humans encroach on lion habitats, and discuss the hopeful strategies for coexistence and conservation efforts aimed at securing a future for Africa's lions. The Pride of Africa. Understanding lion. Social structure. Lions are renowned not only for their majestic presence, but also for their unique social structure, distinguishing them from other big cats. Known as the most sociable of all big cats, lions live in groups called prides, which are complex social units that provide both stability and protection. Composition of a lion pride. A typical lion pride consists of a few adult males, related females, and their young. The size of a pride can vary significantly, but generally includes about 15 to 40 members. The core of any pride is its lionesses, mothers, daughters, sisters, and aunts, who remain with their birth pride for life, creating a strong matriarchal structure. Roles and responsibilities. Each member of the pride has a specific role that contributes to the group's overall survival. The lionesses are primarily responsible for hunting and nurturing the cubs. They are highly coordinated during hunts, targeting large prey such as zebras, wildebeests, and buffaloes to feed the pride. Lionesses also display exceptional maternal care, nursing and teaching the cubs essential survival skills. Dominant males, typically numbering up to 4, play a crucial role in protecting the pride's territory and cubs. These males are often related, brothers or cousins, and take over a pride by displacing the previous dominant males. Their responsibilities include defending the pride against intruders and other threats through vocalizations, scent marking, and physical confrontations. Social dynamics and challenges. Living in a pride involves intricate social interactions and sometimes conflicts. For instance, when new males take over a pride, they may kill existing cubs, which brings a tragic but natural aspect to pride dynamics, ensuring their genes are propagated. Additionally, young males are eventually forced to leave their birth prides to prevent inbreeding and to establish their dominance elsewhere, often forming coalitions with other ousted young males. Cub upbringing is a collective effort within the pride. When a lioness gives birth, other members, including the dominant males, participate in protecting and caring for the young. This cooperative living ensures the cub's survival and education in the ways of the pride. Territorial behavior and maintenance territory is paramount for a lion pride. Dominant males and females participate in marking and defending their territory. This not only prevents other prides from encroaching, but also secures the resources needed for the pride's survival, such as food and breeding grounds. In conclusion, the social structure of lion prides is a fascinating mix of cooperative and competitive behaviors, designed to optimize survival and reproductive success. Understanding this structure is crucial for conservation efforts, as it helps in managing habitats and mitigating human-wildlife conflicts effectively. Conservation status: threats facing lions today. Lions in Africa, classified as vulnerable, face a myriad of threats that jeopardize their survival. The following points highlight the critical challenges affecting these majestic creatures. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Lions have lost 92% of their historical range due to expanding human activities such as agriculture and urban development, leaving them confined to just 8% of their original habitat. This drastic reduction in space not only affects their natural living conditions, but also the availability of their prey, leading to severe survival challenges. Human-wildlife conflict. As human populations expand, the overlap between lion habitats and human settlements increases. This encroachment leads to lions preying on livestock, which in turn prompts retaliatory killings by humans. Such conflicts are a significant threat to lion populations, exacerbated by the shrinking natural prey base due to habitat loss. Illegal wildlife trade and poaching. The illegal demand for lion bones, primarily in Asia, where they are used as substitutes for tiger bones in traditional medicines, has led to increased poaching. Additionally, organized crime syndicates often exploit impoverished communities to engage in poaching activities, further endangering lion populations. Climate change. The impacts of climate change are profound, altering ecosystems and habitats at a rapid pace. Lions are struggling to adapt to these changes, which disrupt their migratory patterns and affect their prey species, making survival increasingly difficult. Disease and genetic diversity. Diseases such as bovine tuberculosis and feline immunodeficiency virus pose serious health threats to lion populations. Moreover, habitat fragmentation leads to isolated lion groups, reducing genetic diversity and weakening the species' ability to adapt and thrive. Conservation efforts and challenges. Despite numerous conservation efforts, the challenges remain daunting. The decline in lion populations continues, reflecting a combination of ongoing threats and the need for more effective conservation strategies. These issues highlight the urgent need for comprehensive and sustained conservation initiatives to ensure the survival of Africa's lions, which are not only a key species in their ecosystems, but also hold immense cultural significance. Cultural icons, lions, in African tradition, and worldwide lions hold a central place in African culture, symbolizing strength, courage, and wisdom. They are revered as the ultimate judges in the wild, maintaining the balance by preying on weaker animals and controlling the population of potentially harmful species like hyenas. This deep-rooted respect for lions underscores their importance in traditional African societies, where they are often associated with leadership and governance. The lioness, specifically, is celebrated for her role as a fierce and protective mother, embodying the strength and resilience of motherhood in African folklore. This portrayal enhances the cultural reverence for lionesses, paralleling their critical role in the pride, where they are primarily responsible for hunting and nurturing the young.